This little guy's got a little over 100,000 miles on him, and you kind of can tell, but it's not too oily, just real dusty and dirty. I'm not sure if it's ever been out, but we can tell some things have been changed, like the catalytic converter was gone. So we'll get in there a little bit further. There's a little sneak peek of what's inside. Also leads me to believe maybe that hasn't been opened up. Regardless, doesn't matter. We'll get it cleaned up. It'll look beautiful. And we are going to try to add another 100 horsepower to it. So that is our challenge. We shall see how close we can get. We will keep you updated here at BreitWerks.